Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2020 Mazda 2, stock number 5921. This ran from 11th 2019 to the current shape. It is DJ 1.5 litre petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the DJ 1500 petrol engine. Left front 15-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear factory 15-inch alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 15-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, interior mirror, factory 3-spoke steering wheel, instrument cluster,